Hey guys, it's Dawn Beltrami from Wazell Properties, and it is freaking Friday. This weekend is St. Patty's Day. Hope you have your green on. Have a great weekend. Be safe celebrating. This week's Showcase Home of the Week is located at 1518 Bingham Street, Unit A. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. They're all en suite. There is a half bath. It has 2 balconies that face the city, so great views. This is a 2,318 square foot home. If they're asking $415,000, it's being brought to you by Jose Figueroa from Remax Vintage. He's having an open house here this Saturday from 10 to 12. And guys, this home is in a perfect location. You're walking distance to Paper Company Cafe. You're walking distance to Sawyer Yards with all the new breweries that are coming in there. And you're just blocks away from the walk path. This is a great home, great location. Let's walk this house. So you come into this home on the first floor. You have wood floors here. You have the garage entrance, and then you have the first bedroom. You have a walk-in closet, and then you have the ensuite bathroom, which is 3-piece, granite countertops, and then you have the shower tub combo. So you come up to the second floor. Here's all your living space. You have the wood floors that continue through here as well. You have your kitchen, granite countertops. You have the 5-burner gas cooktop, microwave oven built in, and then you have the granite countertops, again with the sink open to your breakfast area and your dining room, living room combo. This is a great space. You have the built-ins for your TV. Again, the wood floors, tons of light, lots of windows. And then of course you have the first balcony that has your city views. This is just a great space. So you walk down the hallway, you pass the half bath, and then you're gonna go up the second flight of stairs, and this is where the bedrooms are. So you come up at the top of the stairs, you have your second bedroom, large bedroom, ensuite, granite countertops again, and then you have the bath shower combo. So then you continue down the hallway, you pass the laundry room, large space, it's on the second floor as well, and then you have your master bedroom, huge master bedroom, high ceiling, tons of light, lots of windows. You have this great city view here, and then you have a walk-in closet, large closet, and then you have the large master bathroom. This is a 2 sinks, granite countertops, stall shower, soaker tub, just a great space. And it's a wonderful way to enjoy your city views and living close to Houston. So hey guys, what do you think about this home? Isn't this a beautiful townhouse? Come check it out this Saturday during Jose's open house from 10 to 12. Guys, this home is minutes away from downtown. You cannot get a better location. If you want to see this home or any additional homes, don't hesitate to contact me. My information is at the end of this video. And also don't forget the interactive link below that shows you all the open houses that are going on in the Heights or in the surrounding area. And I look forward to seeing you next week at the next Showcase Home of the Week. Happy St. Patty's Day!